touch my crown. They see the vision I've found.
What's good, Realty fam? It is your girl Genesis, back with another video. This is way too high. Hold on. Don't mind that. Don't mind none of this. It's the last day of the orientation, the Camp Woods thing, and today we're going on a field trip. And gotta take my glasses off because I have to get ready because I had to kill a bug and I wasted a lot of my time. So yeah. I don't have to do my hair, hopefully, because I did it last night, just so it can be a lot quicker today. So we're just going to do the basics, and that's brushing my eyebrows, putting on blush, and lip gloss, because I don't want to put on mascara, because I honestly do not like to put on mascara. Yesterday, my outfit was so cute, and it took me so long to take a shower because I didn't want to take a shower. But yeah, hopefully I vlog at school or I vlog at the field trip. We're going to the Tar Pits Museum, and I already been there, so I already know what's there. But like, I'm gonna try and vlog. I still don't know that many people, so it's still kind of uncomfortable. But I just gotta realize that like I'm not gonna meet that many people because it's only freshmen. And not saying anything to the freshmen, but I'm tired of seeing the freshmen. Like, I'm so tired of this Camp Wood stuff. I just want school to start because I'm so tired of it. Like, I don't want to do this anymore. I feel like I'm good, whatever. But yeah, I don't want to do this anymore. So I'm going to use the rest of my Fenty Beauty because it's spread out and I'm just so upset. I was supposed to give me some more, but that didn't happen. So I just want to start school because I'm so over at this point. Hopefully my shoes come this weekend or sometime before. Dang it, I have to do my baby hairs. So I'll be right back. I'm supposed to go to school early and we're supposed to bring a lunch to what's it called? And we were supposed to bring like money if you didn't want to bring a lunch or something. But like, I'm not bringing money just because I'm broke right now. So we're not bringing money. But I am bringing money to get something out the vending machine, but other than that, I'm not bringing money. So yeah. But let me get dressed and I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, so I just got dressed. My outfit, it doesn't matter at this point because I have to wear this school shirt that's honestly kind of ugly, but hey, whatever. This video, it's gonna look like that. Like, I'm just not as excited as the last video, just because I'm not at all. I'm just so tired, and I don't even know where we're supposed to go today, like to meet up. All I know is that I'm supposed to be there a little bit earlier than usual, but I'm always there early. So it might be a little bit easier to vlog while I'm getting my Gatorade. I don't know. But yeah. I'm putting on lotion because it's not trying to be ashy when I'm walking around a whole bunch of strangers. But yeah. Yesterday, I got my books. I think I already said that. Those books are so heavy. Like, so heavy. I don't understand why they were so heavy. Well, I kind of do. But they were just really heavy, and that was just not the look, sis. And I was just not here for it. So I had to carry those books in my backpack. So I brought my backpack just so I could carry the books. So I'm not carrying those books in my hands. And I probably should have carried those books in my hands because my back was about to break. Y'all can't even see me, but y'all can hear me. My back was about to break, and I was just like not here for it. So that's how that goes. But yeah, yeah, there's just nothing else to say. I'm just so irritated. I feel like I complain so much, but oh well, that's my personality, a complainer. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to talk about in this one just because I already said what I needed to say like that 5,000 times. And that's that I want to go back to sleep and that I don't want to be here. and I don't want to go. Because I still don't know that many people. In my, like, classes, I only know 2 people. And my friends, which is only like 3 people, they're not in my classes. So, it's just not the look. I feel like I know a lot more people not in my class than in my class. Because I have 3 friends that's in my class, but I know about like 10 of them because they went to my middle school. And they just popped up over there. Okay, so I've been back from school or whatever for a very long time, and I just got my shoes. I just came home and I got my shoes. I'm gonna have to block that off, but yeah, I got my shoes. I forgot it had my whole address and stuff on it. But yeah, I got my shoes, and now we get to open them for y'all. Okay, let me get some scissors or something.
No.
Ooh, I just ripped it completely. Oh well.
Damn, but the balloons are like it.
Size 7, baby. Size 7. How much did these cost? Don't show my shirt. I'm not trying to get kidnapped. Okay. So, they're so much cuter than I realized. Okay. These are them. They cute or whatever. Hopefully they fit. They're so cute. Aww. These are my Shemexi shoes. They got the light pink swoosh with the ribbon laces, and on the inside it's velvet. And it's also, this is like a purplish color on the inside of the shoe. Then boom, Nike Shemexi. These are a size 7. They're a tad bit big, but like I'll grow into them. And it was $69 including tax. And these was free shipping, so.
And we got them from Finish Line, you know.
Yeah, from Finish Line, sis. And, you know, just cop them. If you don't want the basic white ones, get these instead. I hope y'all like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you did, press the subscribe button for more videos like this one or like my other videos. And comment down below if y'all excited for my first day of school. Get ready with me. And I'll see y'all later. Deuces. Dustin.